Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You're starting immediately. Make sure your device is signed into the Apple ID that shows the iCloud notifications. Once done, update iOS or Mac OS so the controls match what I describe. Now open Settings on an iPhone or iPad or System Settings on a Mac. You'll tap your name at the top to access Apple ID controls. This is the only place that consolidates iCloud notification controls across devices, so go there now and stay in the Apple ID panel. You'll find the notifications switch inside Apple ID settings under iCloud. Tap iCloud, then look for Notifications or Manage Notifications. Once visible, toggle off either individual iCloud service alerts, like iCloud Drive, Photos, or Backup, or flip the master iCloud notifications off. This stops server-side push alerts tied to your Apple ID. Make the change and wait a few seconds for propagation. If you have multiple devices, make sure to verify each one, because sometimes device-level notification overrides persist until explicitly turned off. Finish by restarting your device so the Apple servers and local settings sync cleanly. Once restarted, check notifications in Settings to confirm iCloud alerts are gone. If alerts persist, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. This forces a fresh push token and usually resolves stuck notifications. Make sure app-level notification settings aren't re-enabling alerts as a fallback. If nothing works, use the sign out/sign in step before contacting Apple support, because that
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.